Oh my gosh. Right into the wheelie. Alright, I'm on a wr450. I have no idea how this bike is gonna wheelie. I'm assuming I can probably just whip it in third gear real quick. Hell yeah, boy! First try. Yeah, well, I'm, dude, he's still holding it, dude. He's going crazy. I'm on this right now because we're doing a ride, and the FC09 is going to be a streets ride, and the FC09 would just honestly be pretty difficult to wheelie. So Tyler offered to me, hey, you want to come ride this 450 2016 wr450 fuel injected. Pretty cool. Does this thing have gas? I don't know how you check. How do you even open this? I don't want to break anything. Not a pro yet, but you know, already pretty decent. Oh my gosh, Riley, if you're watching this video, get one of these, dude. Oh my gosh, it's easy and it's so fun. And this is my first time riding it. Literally my first like 5 minutes. It's like really powerful. When I rode Reland's 450, it didn't feel nearly as like touchy as this. Who's that? That guy wasn't with us. Look at us, dude. Look at us. Yeah. This bike is f***ing fun, dude. Pretty cool, pretty nice. Have you guys heard that? I had no idea what that was until Jared said it one day. He's like, banana, pretty cool, pretty nice. I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, you haven't seen that TikTok? I was like, what are you talking about?
Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. Hello, chicken nugget.
Ooh. We got like FC1s, MT10s, 400s, FC07s. Oh. Where's the policia? Oh, it's an ambulance. Ah, I gotta put my foot down. Why you guys taking so damn long? I'm not leading the route. I don't know where we're going. So there was these kids earlier when I was at Quick Trip waiting for Jared that asked me, they're like, they saw my GoPro, I guess, or they came by me and they're like, hey, nice bike. And then they saw my GoPro after, I guess, and they're like, oh, you got TikTok? And I was like, no, I got Instagram. And that's what they bought me on Instagram. That was pretty funny. Alright, we're not getting on the highway. Yo! Yo! Oh, he's crazy. He's crazy. Oh! I didn't have that the first time. That's cool.
Stay on because the speed sensor broke off.
Oh.
If you want to see the temperature, just hit the middle button. Temperature right there.
Ah. Mucho nice-o.
Fan on it too.
Damn. dude. This thing is decked out. Chicken fried steak. Chicken fried steak. Alright, we're taking off in second. Second. Oh, this thing wants to die. It wants to die, my friend. My friend, it wants to die. Okay, now it don't want to die. Now it wants to go. It wants to go so bad, dude. Through the curve, dude. Dirt bikes make it look easy. Well, dirt bikes make it easy. Oh, I'm sorry, man. I promise.